Hello, creative minds and Marvel fans. Welcome back to our artistic universe. Today, we're exploring a lesser-known but truly unique character from Guardians of the Galaxy, the telepathic Soviet space dog Cosmo. If you're as thrilled as I am to bring Cosmo to life, smash that like button, and let's get started. Before our pencils hit the paper, let's dive into Cosmo's backstory. First appearing in Marvel Comics in 2008, Cosmo is a golden retriever Labrador mix, launched into space by the Soviet Union, only to be mutated by cosmic rays into a highly intelligent being with telepathic and telekinetic powers. As we begin with the basic outlines, we're focusing on combining two fascinating aspects: the familiar form of a dog and the elements that mark him as a unique Marvel character. This includes his classic cosmonaut suit that pays homage to his origins. Cosmo serves as the head of security in Nowhere, an outpost at the edge of the universe, and a central hub in the cosmos in the Marvel universe. He also occasionally assists the Guardians of the Galaxy, proving that even a dog can make a difference in the vast expanse of space. As we start adding details, let's talk about Cosmo's unique design. He retains most of his original canine form, but often wears a Soviet spacesuit, reflecting his roots. He's a testament to Marvel's ability to blend the extraordinary with the ordinary to create truly unique characters. Cosmo has a fun-loving, loyal personality typically associated with dogs, but is also highly intelligent and responsible. It's this blend of familiar canine traits and unexpected intelligence and duty that makes him a uniquely endearing character. Moving on to the coloring stage, we'll use a mix of warm browns and yellows for Cosmo's fur. The spacesuit, on the other hand, brings in the cooler shades of white, silver, and blue, symbolizing his cosmic home. Despite his peculiar situation, Cosmo serves as a bridge between the earthly and the cosmic, the known and the unknown. Throughout his journey in the Marvel universe, Cosmo embodies adaptability and resilience. He thrives in the face of the unexpected and turns a bizarre twist of fate into an opportunity for service and adventure. As we add the final touches to our sketch, let's appreciate Cosmo's character. He is a reminder that heroes come in all shapes and sizes, or species. Whether it's a tree, a raccoon, or a dog, everyone can make a difference. There we have it, our sketch of Cosmo. This was a fun journey that blended earthly familiarity with cosmic peculiarity, resulting in a character that is as endearing as he is unique. I hope you enjoyed drawing Cosmo with me. Do share your own versions and tag me on social media. If you found this video helpful and enjoyable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting drawing tutorials. And as we conclude today's session, remember that art, like Cosmo's story, often involves taking the familiar and giving it an unexpected twist. Keep exploring, keep creating, and until our next drawing adventure, happy sketching!